She is waiting for fish in the middle in the sea. Sartariyab River. Look, she's waiting in the sea. She is moving forward for searching fish. Look his reaction for searching fish. The water so fast. Aqua maza. Da aqua maza. Aqua badi lakha. आओ का ना lakha da. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. I love you.